So I have this door slab, and the problem it had is that this was a closet door, and along the way someone decided to push it and it broke out the bottom piece right here. So I'm going to be showing how I used a circular saw, and I basically just added some fresh clean wood. This is all on the bottom so you won't even see the screws. We'll hang this door back up and we'll see if that did the trick. All right, now that we've added that extra section that had been broken out, the door is able to stay in the tracks all the way, which is awesome. So we've saved this slab, and I'm really happy about that. So thanks for watching.